Welcome to the Depths of Erendorn monthly development log for September 2024. Throughout this video we'll be looking through some of the work completed by each of the departments over the last month, as well as taking the time to summarise the effort needed to create a brand new online RPG. Let's get into it, starting with 3D modelling. September saw the 3D modelling team make strides in enhancing character customisation and creature design within Depths of Erendorn. A new ponytail hairstyle was completed, offering players an exciting new option for personalising their avatars. Concurrently, significant progress was made on the Minotaur character, with the team utilising the Lion Men model as a foundation to optimise its creation. In close collaboration with the concept team, the sculpt of the Minotaur's face underwent refinement, while meticulous adjustments were made to its body proportions to achieve an imposing stature. The design was further enhanced with careful attention to anatomical accuracy, particularly in the chest and arms. Moreover, the initial blockout of the Minotaur's armour pieces has commenced, paving the way for detailed equipment in the weeks ahead. The set-piece design team's advancements continue, enriching the game's environment with a diverse array of detailed assets throughout September. The team successfully completed a series of Viking-style tents, each showcasing unique designs, fabrics, and metal trimmings that will reflect varying levels of wealth and status within the settlement. In tandem with this, the team designed and modelled settlement carts, introducing both functional and aesthetic elements that breathe life into the bustling towns and villages of Erendorn. With the carts now finalised, the team has shifted its focus into settlement set dressing, adding intricate environment details to help each settlement feel distinct and immersive. Over the past month, the client team at Depths of Erendorn has concentrated on refining several core systems to enhance gameplay functionality and elevate the overall player experience. Considerable progress has been made within the dry testing environment, particularly in achieving smoother movement systems. The team adeptly tackled numerous challenges, addressing bugs within the movement manager and implementing essential adjustments to ensure accurate data input in movement logs. Additional efforts were directed towards refining level-up notifications, improving the functionality of the map panel, and introducing NPC groups, which allow for strategic placement and testing of enemy combinations within the game. Alongside these updates, the team has started to work on account-based features, such as adding friends and blocking users, with the new social panel empowering players to manage their in-game relationships and party members seamlessly. Throughout the past month, the server team at Depths of Erendorn has made substantial strides in enhancing the game's back-end functionality and stability. A key accomplishment was the refactoring of the login server, which is now integrated with a per-cluster segmented cache layout, paving the way for queue skipping and smoother player reconnections. The team also focused on several gameplay enhancements, notably increasing zone density to experiment with enemy group populations, resulting in a more dynamic world exploration experience. Bug fixes were prioritised, addressing issues such as the post-adventure movement bug and errors in the zone remapping process, ensuring smoother transitions across zones. Progress was made on the critical server client communication update, which aims to streamline command processing and session management for improved scalability. Balance changes were applied to classes like Paracord and Druid, alongside combat functionality improvements, particularly in how layered effects interact with their parent abilities. Furthermore, the re-enabling of dungeons in the open world introduced new challenges, with ongoing efforts to resolve associated bugs and crashes. Over the past month, the animation team at Depths of Erendorn has made significant strides in enhancing the fluidity and responsiveness of character and enemy animations throughout the game. Notable improvements were made to enemy animations, particularly with the skeletons, whose spawning animations were refined to add more detail and vitality to their introduction. Furthermore, the zombie attack animations received key updates, making their movements more dynamic and impactful, thus heightening the realism of combat interactions. Collectively, these enhancements contribute to a more immersive experience for players as they navigate the evolving environment of Erendorn. The VFX team at Depths of Erendorn has focused on optimising visual effects and enhancing gameplay clarity throughout the last month. Key achievements include finalising the comic calling ability and improving level 3 effects by removing excessive emitters, reducing performance load while maintaining quality. The Cursed Ground ability was revamped into a 2x2 lingering AoE effect with an on-remove state, while Frost Missile ability was streamlined for direct target hits. Later in the month, work began on the first draft of the Summon Arcane Giant spell, along with a new smoke material. The team also optimised old VFX assets, improving 4K textures for better performance without sacrificing visual fidelity. These efforts contribute to a smoother and more immersive gameplay experience in the world of Erendorn. The sound team has been weaving their audio magic as they work on elements to enhance the game's immersive atmosphere. Ongoing engine work included testing new sound effects for key abilities, such as Cursed Ground and Summon Arcane Giant. Additionally, the team updated the undead spawn sounds to create a more haunting experience, deepening the eerie nature of Erendorn's undead enemies. These efforts aim to intensify the audio landscape of combat encounters, heightening player immersion in the increasingly dynamic battles within the world. Throughout the past month, the environment team at Depths of Erendorn have focused on enhancing visual richness and exploratory appeal in the game's settlement areas. A key effort has been on set dressing, establishing clear concepts to create immersive spaces that invite exploration. Notable advancements include the Rising Sun Tavern, optimised to provide stunning sunrise views in Zone 1 after adjustments to the solar system. To enrich the social atmosphere, an outdoor seating area has been added to foster community interaction. Improvements to road textures and material logic have resulted in a more realistic infrastructure across Erendorn. The team also addressed immersive light performance, reducing splotchiness when interacting with fog, with further refinements planned for a seamless visual experience. That wraps up this video development log for September 2024. We hope you've enjoyed it. Much more work has been completed throughout the month that we could not fit into this summary. Following the link in the description will take you to the Depths of Erendorn website, where you can read about more of the work completed by the developers. Also, for daily updates, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Reddit, or join our Discord server. Have a good one, and we'll bring you more next month.